Hello, welcome to another video of the series Graphing. In this video, you only have one goal, and that is to find the point of intersection of 2 points. And also the point of intersection is the solution for these two functions. Okay, so let's start. Graph this pair. Your instruction is to graph this pair of equations and find where they intersect on the number plane. So you're given two functions. First, I'm going to make a table of functions so it's easier to graph. Okay, so I put there my function table, and I'm going to fill this out for the first function. So for the first function, y is equal to 4 minus x, I'm going to substitute x by 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Then substitute x by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. And the last one, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now that I have completed my table for 4 values of x, I can now graph it using these 4 points. Okay, so for the first point is 0, 4. It's going to be there. So the second point is 1, 3. 1, 3 is there. The third point is 2, 2. And then the last point is 3, 1. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line to connect the points. And once I have drawn the graph of the line, and then I'm going to label the line y is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, now we move on to the second function, that is y is equal to 2x minus 2. The same thing, I'm going to put and complete a function table. When x is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, minus 2, your y is negative 2. When your x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2, your y is 0. When x is 2, I'm going to substitute this by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2. The last one, I'm going to substitute 3 to x. That will be 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 will have 4. Now I have completed the table. I'm going to plot the points in the table. The first point is 0, negative 2. I don't have a negative 2 here on the coordinate plane, but I can estimate. So estimation is the 0, negative 2 is here. Second point is 1, 0. The third point is 2, 2. And the last point is 3, 4. Same thing, I'm going to draw the line, my graph, and then label my graph. My graph is y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now, the solution for these two pairs of lines or functions is the point where they intersect or meet. And they have a common point, and that common point is here, where you see both the yellow dot and the red dot share the same location. So that's 2, 2. So the point of intersection is 2, 2. Okay, I'll give you another example, but this time your equations or functions are lines parallel to the axis. Now my expectation is you know how to do this already. If you don't and you're struggling, you need to watch the other video, the video about straight lines parallel to the axis. Okay, so if I have a function y is negative 4, I will look for negative 4 along the y-axis, and it's here. So then here I have my blue line. Okay, and then I'm going to label that as y is equal to negative 4. As you can see, this function is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, now let's move on to the next function, which is x is equal to 3. So along x-axis, I'm going to find 3, and it's here. From here, I'm going to draw a line that is vertical, that is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, by then, I'm going to now label this line, which is x is equal to 3. Now, again, we need to find the point of intersection, or which location does these two lines meet. Okay, so you can see they meet over here. So there's a point there, that's their common point, and that's 3, negative 4. So the point of intersection is 3, negative 4. This lesson is easy. This video is now over. So please look at the independent practice that you have in Edmodo by grade 7.